Let's look at the EURUSD analysis today. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my opinion on EURUSD live. So if you are a EURUSD trader, then ensure you watch this video to the end. This is Mobile Trading Academy, where we simplify Forex trading and help traders make money from the market. So for a while now, the EURUSD has been trading within this range. And we got a downside break below that range and then a reclaim. Then the price moved up to the top of the range. Then we got an upside fake out above the range and then a reclaim again, and the market moved down to the bottom of the range. Now when the market came to the bottom of the range, we had this 4 days move where we had indecision here, closing below the range bottom and above it, below it, above it, just for those 4 days. And afterwards, we saw a bullish continuation, which also closed above this channel bottom. This was also another level, another critical level, and price closed above it on this very day. But last Friday, we saw that the market lost the gains it made the previous day and then closed back just right at that level where it reclaimed. So price is just trading just above it right now. So where are we heading to this week? That is the essence of this video. So the next point we're heading to is the top of this range. That is where we're heading to. And also not forgetting that the EURUSD ultimately is heading to the top of this channel. I've been mentioning this for over 6 months now. The reason is that we have a symmetry that is yet to be completed on the weekly and daily time frame. So when you look at this daily time frame right here, we saw a break below this descending channel and then a reclaim of that channel, making this move a fake out. And you know that a fake out in one direction will certainly lead to an extended move to the opposite direction. That is exactly what is happening here. So price is gradually heading to the top of this channel, and the top of this channel is right above 1.2093. So we still have consistent higher lows here and higher highs. So the bullish structure is still intact, and we are heading to this point to complete the symmetry. And also there was an imbalance right here, which I pointed out. So after the market broke this level, we never saw price get back to it. That is the point we're having, this 1.2093. So that is an imbalance waiting to be filled. However, we must take everything one step at a time, knowing that we are heading to this point. The question is, what do you do from here to join this whole move towards this high? So as long as this level remains intact, we are certainly going to see price move towards this high and then towards this point, then towards this level. However, if we begin to see any move below this range bottom, then we may begin to head to this point. Most likely in the coming days, we are going to see the EURUSD move towards 1.20 area and even above it. So that is my take on EURUSD. I hope this helps you make the right decision trading EURUSD this week. Thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video.